Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'll be showing you the wiring locations for your boom lights as well as your jib light, just going over a general overview of where those all are in the truck in case you're ever experiencing issues with that. So first things first, in our driver's side cabinet, in the side of our control panel, our main electrical panel here, you'll see you got your boom light switch on the left-hand side of the panel with two wires going into it, A17 and A18, and that gets power from fuse 5F91, which is a 15 amp fuse. So if you're experiencing issues, good place to start to look is checking that 5F91 fuse. And now we'll hop to the other side of the truck. Okay, so after we've went to the control panel, that 2-wire for your boom lights comes across the pump and actually goes to a connector right beneath me below your terminal box in the frame of your truck. You'll find a 12-pin connector down there. It should be easily noticeable. So power comes through there, comes up a wire all the way through here, through your hose bag, through your turret, all the way to our boom ID junction box right here. So power comes in through our 8-wire, through the boom, through the turret, like I just mentioned. Power goes to numbers 5 and 6, and then from there goes out to your 2 turret lights and the light on your jib. So if you are ever experiencing issues with your lights, that's kind of the general electrical pattern of where they run, as well as the fuse location and switch location in the main electrical panel. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.